In the year of 1791, Theobald Wolfe Tone, inspired by the American and French revolutions, co-founded the Society of United Irishmen. Seeking to establish an independent Irish republic, he proclaimed his political philosophy, which earned him the title the Father of Irish Republicanism. To subvert the tyranny of our execrable government, to break the connection with England, the never-failing source of all our political evils, and to assert the independence of my country, these were my objects. To unite the whole people of Ireland, to abolish the memory of all past dissensions, and to substitute the common name of Irishman in place of the denominations of Protestant, Catholic and Dissenter, these were my means.